illness. Some coughs persist for longer, and this is usually a sign of an underlying problem. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is dry cough. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the causes of dry cough, medical and natural treatment for dry cough, when to seek medical advice. So if you're new to my channel, I post healthy lifestyle videos every week and fashion videos every Friday. So come join the family, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. A dry cough is a cough where no phlegm or mucus are produced. It is irritating and usually associated with tickling throat. Dry coughs are often caused by viral illnesses like cold, flu, and can also be caused by allergies or throat irritants. However, dry cough may also be a result of other problems such as asthma. Asthma causes the airways to swell and narrow. It can cause dry cough alongside with symptoms such as trouble breathing and wheezing. What song is that? What song is that? What song are you singing? Gastro-oesophageal reflux disorder. Yes! This is a type of chronic reflux that can cause damage to the esophagus. Irritation to the esophagus can trigger the cough reflex. Postnasal drip. Postnasal drip is the drainage of mucus secretion from the nose or sinuses down to the back of the throat. This is also known as the upper airway cough syndrome. A side effect from medicine. ACE inhibitor medications such as enalapril, lisinopril, often used for high blood pressure, can cause chronic dry cough in about 20% of people. Whooping cough and smoking. Other less common causes of dry cough include heart failure, a blood clot in the lungs, or lung cancer. Please note, dry cough is one of the most common symptoms of COVID-19, and other symptoms are fever and shortness of breath. How long does a cough normally last? Coughs associated with the cold and flu often last for 1 to 2 weeks, most clearing up within 3 weeks. A post-viral cough may persist for several weeks after a viral illness. Some coughs persist for longer, and this is usually a sign of an underlying problem. Medical treatment for dry cough. Specific treatment for dry cough will depend on the cause of the cough. Cough suppressant. This can sometimes be used as short-term treatments for dry coughs in adults. Cough suppressant work by suppressing the urge to cough, and it can include any of the following active ingredients: focodine, codeine, dihydrocodeine, and dextromethorphan. They are available as lozenges, which may also contain antibacterials that can help soothe a sore throat. Liquid or linctus. Some cough suppressants need a prescription, while others are available in the pharmacy without a prescription. Possible side effects of cough suppressants include drowsiness, nausea, vomiting, and constipation. Some combination cold and flu medicines. These are available in tablets or liquid and may contain cough suppressants. Cold and flu combination medicines may also include an antihistamine. This may help if your dry cough is disrupting your sleep. A decongestant to relieve blocked or stuffy nose, and paracetamol to relieve pain or fever. Also take care to check the active ingredient in any combination medicine. If you're taking a combination product and taking other medication, you're risking doubling up on ingredients. For example, adding paracetamol may lead to an overdose of paracetamol, especially if other paracetamol products have been taken. Nasal sprays and inhalers. So if your doctor suspects that hay fever or postnasal drip is the cause of your cough, a saline nasal spray or a corticosteroid nasal spray will be recommended. A corticosteroid inhaler may be recommended by your doctor if asthma is a possible cause of your dry cough. Reflux treatment. You can treat your reflux with acid blocking medications such as proton pump inhibitors. Natural treatment for dry cough. There are some simple natural things you can do to provide relief from a dry cough. Honey. Honey can help to treat dry cough by coating and soothing the back of the throat and relieving the irritation that triggers the dry cough. Try drinking warm water containing honey and lime. Gargling salt water. This may also help a dry cough that is associated with cold and sore throat. Salt water soothes inflamed tissues and relieve healing. Mix half teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water. Take a sip, tint your head back and gargle for 30 seconds. Spit it out. Never drink the water. Make sure you spit it out. Drink plenty of fluids. Staying hydrated will help ensure your throat is moist so it can heal properly. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water a day. You can also take warm broths or tea. When to see a doctor. A persistent dry cough is rarely a sign of a medical emergency, but see a healthcare provider right away if you have fever, chest pain, or trouble breathing. Yes. Let me clean your nose. Otherwise, make an appointment with your doctor if your cough lasts more than 2 months or seems to worsen over time. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please share, comment, and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. See you in my next video. Bye.